Bottle gourd, also known as calabash gourd, is a melon fruit grown on vining plants. The bottle gourd comes in different shapes and sizes, like round, bottle-shaped, doubled, huge, small, and slim. Surprisingly, these fruits were traditionally not grown to be eaten, instead used as containers and pitchers. In the olden days, the gourds were harvested ripe, then they were dried and used as utensils or musical instruments. But anyways, the young calabash fruit is now famous as one of the healthiest food of all. Even though the gourds are grown in warm places, but you can eat the calabash fruit in different forms in almost every country. Bottle gourd, also known as lauki in Hindi, is one of the primary vegetables in every Indian kitchen. From curry to dessert to detox drink, bottle gourd is used in every form. Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food, and in this video we will talk about the health benefits and a few reasons why you should add bottle gourd or lauki to your everyday diet. The bottle gourds are a very good source of vitamin A and vitamin C. These vitamins contain antioxidant properties that protects the body from free radicals. Now, vitamin A promotes healthy skin, eyes and mucous membrane, and vitamin C supports the immune system and encourages iron absorption and helps in growth and development. Bottle gourd also contains phosphorus, magnesium, folate and calcium. The phosphorus, magnesium and calcium helps in the formation of bones. They strengthen the teeth, build and maintain strong bones and regulate muscle and nerve functions in the body. The bottle gourd are also very good source of fiber which promotes healthy digestion. They regulate bowel movement, they treat constipation and help in weight reduction. Bottle gourd are high in water content. They are good source of potassium, vitamin, minerals and low in sodium, which helps to reduce the blood pressure. It also helps to lower the bad cholesterol or LDL and keeps the heart healthy. The rich water content of bottle gourd provides a cooling effect on the body and stomach, reducing chronic gastritis, stomach bloating and other digestive issues. Bottle gourd juice in the morning is considered as an excellent remedy for diabetes. They are low in calories and sugar and high in water and fiber, making the vegetable diabetic friendly. They are considered very good for healthy skin and they help to prevent premature graying of the hair. The bottle gourds are considered diuretic in nature because of their high water content. Thus, they help to remove excess water and sodium from the body and reduces the blood pressure. And finally, they are great for the liver. The liver is one of the vital organs of the body. It helps in body's detoxification process. Bottle gourd is known to reduce the inflammation of the liver and increase its health. So that's all for today's video. I hope it was a bit informative. If you have any questions regarding the topic, please let me know in the comment section below. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For food and health related articles, please visit my website at www.alllightfood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.